Hi friends, this is Latif for Well and welcome to the new update on IOTX token. Today in this video, I want to show you how the IOTX surged more than 200% after giving different kind of bullish signals and forming different patterns. And for the future, the IOTX has formed the different harmonic patterns for up to 1000% very big bullish move. And definitely at the end of this video, I would like to show you my previous predictions about the IOTX and the theta token as well. So let's start the video. First of all, I want to show you this chart. And this is the daily chart. We can see that the IOTX was moving in a down channel. And this move of the IOTX was very much synchronized with these indicators, like I have used here the momentum indicator, the stochastic, and the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence. That is very famous indicator. And we can see that whenever the price action was hitting at the support of this channel, and we received the bullish signals from the momentum indicator, and after that we received the stochastic, and the MACD was turning bullish. After that, the price action turned very strong bullish, and for the first time it produced up to 124% profit, and from here it moved down again up to the support, and we received the bullish signal by the momentum indicator, and we also received the stochastic bull cross from the oversold zone, and the MACD moving average convergence divergence was also turned weak bearish from strong bearish, like it was turned in momentum, weak bearish from strong bearish, so it means it is turning bullish, and we have witnessed the 29% bullish rally, and after that the price action moved sideways, and before hitting at the support we received the stochastic bull cross from the oversold zone, and the MACD was also turning bullish, and here we received a bullish signal from the momentum indicator as well, and the price action moved sideways, and after that it turned strong bullish and produced more than or almost up to 55% rally. And now recently the price action again reached at the support, and we received first we received the bullish signal by the momentum indicator here, but in the month of March, due to some certain issues in the global market, when all the markets were going down, definitely the IOTX also went down with the complete market, with the stocks, with the commodities, and all the market as well. And after that again, we received the momentum bullish signals. And after that we also received the stochastic bull cross from the oversold zone, and the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, turned bullish. And after these signals, the price action moved sideways and turned very strong bullish, and now recently it has produced more than 200% bullish rally. And definitely the basic reason for this recent bullish rally was also this announcement by the IOTX that they were going to launch their mainnet on the 1st June. But however, after 1st June, now we can see that the price action is moving down and having a correction rally. And definitely I will show you some more move that the price action has completed, and that is a harmonic move. But before that, I want to show you this move, that during this movement in this down channel, we can see that these are the moon phases indicator I have placed on this chart, and these are the full moon and these are the dark moon, and the distance between one full moon to next full moon and the one dark moon to the next dark moon is called a synodic cycle that is 29.5 days long. So here we can see that before this move, the full moon was appeared below this resistance of this channel, and the dark moon was appeared below the support of the channel. That was the bearish signal, which means that it was difficult for the price line to cross up this level, and there were chances that the price line will break down this support. However, the price line turned bullish, and now we can see the new full moon is appeared at a very far distance from this resistance of this channel. So it means that we have received the first very strong bullish signal that the price line can move up to this level of moon, and I'm expecting that the next dark moon will be appeared above the support of this channel. And if we watch these Bollinger Bands, then it is also moving up, and we have now the upper bands of the Bollinger Bands above the resistance of this channel. That is another bullish signal, so it means that it will be easy for the price line to break out the resistance of this channel, because this time we don't have the resistance of Bollinger Bands before the resistance of this channel that can stop the price line to reach up to this resistance of the channel to have a breakout. And if we watch the long term on this weekly chart, the different support and resistance levels, then we can see that the price line has found the recent support at 29 Satoshis. And after that, the price line is bounced from here, and it has broken out the next resistance level of 39 Satoshis, and now it is going to retest the previous resistance as a support. At this time, the price line is moving sideways. And we have the next resistance at 73 Satoshis that is not broken out since October 2019, even after the stable attempt. We can see here on this chart. And after breaking out this 73 Satoshis resistance, we don't have any significant resistance up to 157 Satoshis. So once the price line will be able to cross up or break out this resistance of 73 Satoshis, then within no time it can reach up to 157 Satoshis, and that will be from here up to this level, around a 115% move. Now let's move to the very important chart. This one is the bullish garlic pattern, and this one is the bullish butterfly pattern. After the recent correction rally, the price line has formed on short-term daily chart a bullish garlic pattern. This is the initial leg. Then A to B leg is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. Then we have a Fibonacci projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection, and this is the projection of A to B leg. And finally, the price line has retraced up to between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. And here the garlic pattern is completed. Now the price line is ready to take the bullish divergence. At this time, we are having the first bullish candlestick appeared, and soon it will be entered in this Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. And this is as per Fibonacci. This sell target is as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish garlic pattern. So this would be up to 97% big bullish move. And if we watch the long-term weekly chart, then the price action of IOTX has formed a very big bullish butterfly pattern. This is the initial leg, and A to B leg is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. Then we have the Fibonacci projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection. This is the projection of A to B leg. Then we have the retracement up to between the area 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci level. I have placed the leg up to 1.618 Fibonacci level, but it is not possible for the price line of IOTX to move in negative zone. I've just placed the leg up to here to show you the perfection of the formation of this bullish butterfly pattern. However, the potential reversal zone is from 62 Satoshis up to 1 Satoshis, but it doesn't mean that I'm saying you to buy between this area and set your stop loss up to 1 Satoshis. We have found that the IOTX has a support here up to 29 Satoshis. So you can buy here and you can set your stop loss up to 29 Satoshis, not up to 1 Satoshi. Now, what should be the sell targets according to this bullish butterfly pattern? And that is the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, and that is from 167 Satoshis up to 342 Satoshis. So it's mean that this trade has capacity to produce up to 1,000% very big bullish move that is due since the price action has entered in the potential reversal zone and moving sideways since August 2019. So this was the bullish move. Before that, I have predicted the bullish move of IOTX in November 2019, and we can see that the price action was forming the final leg of garlic pattern, and I just predicted that the price action will be moved up from here, and it produced more than 200% bullish rally. Before that, I also predicted about the theta coin that it will be take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone of this very big bullish butterfly that was formed on the 4-day chart, same as like the IOTX has formed on the weekly chart at this time. And I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that this theta coin produced more than 800% bullish rally. First, it took the bullish divergence from the potential reversal zone and produced more than 200% bullish rally and dropped down again and used this PRZ or potential reversal zone as a support and took another powerful bullish move and produced more than 800 or 866% bullish rally. So same as like that, the price action of IOTX again has formed this very big bullish butterfly pattern, and this is a long-term chart. It will need some patience, and if you will hold the coin or token here and you will place your sell order here, definitely it will be sold there. However, you should set your stop loss at 29 satoshis in order to minimize your risk of investment. And in my point of view, to trade IOTX, the best exchange is the Binance. If you don't have account on the Binance, and I have shared my referral link in the video's description, you just need to click on that link or copy that link and paste in your browser and create your account there. It will be also a kind of support for my channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.